In this video, you'll learn how to add two buttons side by side in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will enhance your email design with multiple call to action buttons, improving user engagement. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard. If prompted, sign in using your account credentials to access your campaigns. Next, locate and click on the Create Email button. This option is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. After clicking this button, a new screen will appear, allowing you to start a new email campaign. After that, close any pop-up that may appear after selecting Create Email. You can find the close option on the top right of the new email creation screen. Clicking this will take you back to your campaign overview. Once you're back at your campaign overview, select the design email option. This button is typically located in the center of the page. Clicking on it will redirect you to the email design interface where you can customize your email layout. Now click on Basic Layouts to access various layout options. This option is found in the sidebar of the design interface. After selecting it, you will be presented with different layout templates that you can choose from. Choose a template that suits your needs. You will see several options displayed on the screen. Click on the one that best fits your email design. Once selected, the template will load, allowing you to edit its content. Click on the Apply button to confirm your template choice. This button is usually located at the bottom right of the template selection window. After clicking, the selected template will be applied to your email. Next, locate and click on the button option in the design toolbar. This option enables you to add buttons to your email layout. After selecting it, the button settings will appear on the right side of the screen. Drag the newly created button next to the existing button in your layout. You will see a preview of where the button will be placed as you drag it. Position it carefully to ensure they appear side by side. Then release the mouse button to drop it in place. You have now successfully added two buttons side by side in Mailchimp. Make sure to review your email design to ensure everything looks as intended before proceeding to send your campaign. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.